Do a little.
Go ahead.
Hey guys, we are now here with our makeup artist, Sydney Jamila. Sydney, tell us a little bit about the makeup.
Hey, hi Carlos. Today we're doing a little bit of like a bronzy eye and lots of lashes, a little bit of liner, and the skin's gonna be very dewy, bronzy, and a nude lip. So they're gonna be very sexy Miami style.
And that's Pablo over there saying work.
And that queen over there is a very jealous one. She hates everyone. She hates everyone.
And apparently he has a very limited vocabulary because the only thing he said is work for the last 5 minutes. So Sydney, tell us about the inspiration behind the makeup for tonight.
Well, the inspiration is more, of course, because we live in a very like sunny place. So we wanted that bronzy skin, that really sexy Miami look. So basically, the sun, the people, you know.
Basically the climate, the environment.
Yeah, and just, you know what, like people are not afraid to look sexy here. That's what Miami style, so that's what I'm trying to portray.
People are definitely not afraid to look sexy in Miami.
No, it's all about beauty, it's all about being sexy, it's not about being shy, it's about being free and loving it, and loving life, and enjoying life. Beach, party, and beauty.
Beach, party, and beauty. Oh, nice. Nice. Pantene will love that.
You know what? That was actually the most important part.